If you think your texting game is bad, wait till you see Alex. This is the epic texting fail you can't miss. Meet Alex. Every time he texts her, he gets left on read. Why? Maybe because his pickup lines are, let's say, questionable, like, "Are you French? Because for you?" Yeah, we'd leave him on read too, but Alex won't give up. He sends, "Do you believe in love at first text, or should I send another?" Guess what? He accidentally sends it to his boss. Cue horror music. His boss replies, "We need to talk. See me in my office." Alex is doomed. Or is he? Turns out his boss found it hilarious. Best laugh I've had all week. Phew, dodged a bullet. But wait, Alex sends the same text to his boss again. Yep, you heard that right, and the loop starts again. Alex, sitting in a cafe, asking why he gets left on read. Maybe memes are safer, huh? Remember folks, think before you text.